can write here in my assessment sheet.
Sir Trambikesh Sharma.
Just a minute. Let me increase the volume a little bit. Say again.
Sir Trambikesh Sharma.
Trambakesh.
Sir Archit Jain.
Okay.
Sir Yogen Singh Meena.
Yogendra Meena. Hmm.
And Sir Shivjit Singh Yadav.
Okay. And
Sir, we are all only having 5 members.
what is your name?
Sir Shivam Kumar Meena.
Shivam Meena. Okay. Now another thing.
Yes, sir.
May I know how many have done that mock discussion yesterday? One was
Sir,
Anushka, one was Priyanshi,
Hmm,
and you. But you are in this group also.
yes,
Shubham, 3. Sakshi, 4. Okay. So these four students are the members of jury for this discussion. Entire class will be observing, but these are the members of this jury. When this discussion gets over, I would like to ask few things to them, and depending on what they say, I will decide the scores. Okay? So jury ready? Shivam
Yes,
Meena,
sir.
yes,
you are ready too?
yes, sir.
Okay. So Shivam Meena's group members, they can all turn their cameras on first. Jury members, if they want to keep their cameras on, fine, I have no problem. So participants of Shivam Meena's group, they should all keep their cameras on, mics muted. When their turn comes, they will unmute and speak. So now the screen is yours, Shivam. Sachin was also one. Okay. Sachin, you are also in the jury. Yes.
Sir, can I start?
Yes, beta. All the best.
Thank you.
And just a minute. One of the jury members can uh, take a watch of the time also. Who will do that? Sneha has raised finger. Okay. So Sneha will keep a watch on the clock. Okay, beta. Time given is 6 to 8 minutes. Okay.
Om Shri Sairam. I, Shivam Kumar Meena, welcomes you all to my channel. I Our today's topic of the debate is elections held in MP in 2020. And the first topic to discuss on is the by-election is going on in MP right now. I want to ask the way of thinking what Archit thinks about this election. Archit, the screen is yours.
I should say BJP will really going to win, going to do well as they were crowns of as leaders just 6 months ago. They are really going to win. I should say again.
Thank you, Archit. Thank you, Archit. Now, Yogen Singh Meena, can you please tell your way of thinking what you think about this by-election?
I should say that Congress will definitely do well as their star campaigner Sri Kamalnath campaigned till last day and his campaigning really go well, so Congress will going to get advantages of this.
Thank you, Yogen. Now, now it's time to talk to Trambikesh. Trambikesh, what you thinks about this by-election?
I should say that BJP will do well in election because their leaders are doing well in rallies and campaign, and they also motivate people. So they tell that people should go and vote them also. So thank you.
Thank you, Trambikesh. Now it's time to talk to Shivjit what he thinks about this election. Shivjit,
Thank you.
what you thinks about this election?
It probably seen that both parties campaigned well. They both will going good. Just 6 months ago, BJP come back and charge. I should, I should because Jyotiraditya Scindia shifted to BJP. Congress will going to do well.
Thank you, Shivjit. Now it's time to talk on our second topic of the day. That is the BJP just crowned as the leaders of MP just 6 months ago. What are way of their thinking about this election? Can you can you talk on this, Archit? Archit,
Arjit, unmute your mic first.
As Yogen said, Congress will definitely, on the perspective of the Congress, will going to do well. Can you please explain, Yogendra?
I want to tell you, Archit, that why not previously Congress did well. They really did good work in many areas like Chandwada. They really going to well.
Okay.
Trambikesh, can you suggest what you thinks about this second topic? Trambikesh,
I think that loan pardon do not held by Congress party in Madhya Pradesh. So BJP can do this also. So I think that it make a better comfort for BJP.
what you think about this, Shivjit?
Previously, when Congress was in rule, they did loan pardon, decreased electricity bill. And this was the party for farmers. Did work for farmer and full day. Houses got light in villages, and now after Congress discharge, now villages only get in night.
Trambikesh, what you thinks on this topic? Uh, Trambikesh,
I want to say something that lights and electricity in Madhya Pradesh are good and well to get a sufficient amount of electricity in villages and cities also. So, and Congress party do not do well in electricity. In tomorrow, in some villages, light is off in 23 hours. The light is gone for 23 hours and they can't separate with that. So we can say that light is very important for us.
thank you to our ventalist. They talked to us today. After this, now it's time to end the debate. Now, as Trambikesh, Archit, Yogendra, and Shivji said their way of thinking, what they think about this topics, what they think of this election, we come to a final decision that both parties are really going well, and I think of that BJP will be going to crown again as they come to rule again just 6 months ago, and they started the campaigning well, and as Trambike said that the electricity services and all are good in MP, so really BJP will going to do well. Thank you and Sairam.
Okay. You have made it too political. The topic was current elections held in MP.
Yes,
That was
sir.
the topic. You have made it only political. Few were saying BJP will win, few were saying Congress will win, and that's it. There were so many aspects that could have been covered, that could have been included in this discussion. How was the election held? What were the problems faced? Because it was COVID-19 era, COVID-19 time. So there were so many challenges. Was it really necessary? When the campaigning was done, how dangerous was that campaigning? How risky was it? Where care should have been taken? There were so many things that could have been discussed in this topic. Keeping all this in mind, I selected this topic for your group. But you stuck only on one thing. Who is going to win? Does the jury agree with what I said?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, fine. Still,
Yes, sir.
whatever. Now, I would like to ask, actually, there is nothing much to ask and nothing much to discuss about this discussion. Okay. It was not that effective, I'm sorry to say. Still, I would ask, starting from Priyanshi, I can see her first. Priyanshi, who according to you was best content wise in this group out of these five? Acha, you all can do one thing.
So the contents were, yes, you were right that they were.
You can all do one thing. No, no. Just write the initials, all five jury members. You write the initials out of these five members of this group. Whoever you feel was best content wise, write the initials of that boy's name. Content wise. Quickly. No response from jury. Waiting for one another. Hurry up, hurry up. Just initials, not full name, to save time, and you are wasting time. I said just initials. If you want to say Triambakesh, write T and what is his surname?
Sharma.
TS, just write TS.
Sharma.
If you want to say Sachin Meena, Shivam Meena, just write SM. So content wise, okay, fine. कितने लोग लिख रहे हैं? मैंने सिर्फ जूरी से पूछा. Okay, I'll ask everybody. Wait a minute. Now, pronunciation wise, who was best according to jury? 5 jury members, right? अच्छा, वासवा ने भी लिख दिया. 5 jury members only to respond first. Initials of the member whose pronunciation was best according to you. Who is AJ? AJ Styles?
Archit,
Archit Jain. Okay.
Archit Jain.
AJ एक ही पता है मुझे, AJ Styles. हाँ. Okay, good. Now expression wise.
सर बोलते समय तो सबका कैमरा ऑफ था।
मैं आ रहा हूँ इस बात पे अभी, मैं आ रहा हूँ इस बात पे अभी आ रहा हूँ. And finally, fluency. No responses. Hard to respond, no? Very difficult to respond on this parameter for this group. Still, if I ask you to pick the best out of 5, again AJ Styles. ठीक है. Thank you very much, jury members. Let me repeat my instruction, because this activity is being recorded. This is being done for assessment. It was instructed earlier too that you all need to be in school uniform. Otherwise also, when you are attending a class, you all need to be in school uniform. I was not happy when I saw one boy participating in the discussion not in school uniform. It doesn't take too much time to put on a t-shirt, and you all look much better in school t-shirt. Okay. I have always seen most of the students in this class attending the class in school uniform, in proper school uniform. Moreover, they put on wristwatches also. Even when it is not required. Shubham is always in proper school uniform. He sits at his proper place and attends the class. He sits at the same place every day. That's good. When you are attending a class, attend it. Give it a feel of a class, beta. I always appreciate most of the students in this class, they attend in school uniform, in proper uniform. They get ready for the class and attend the class. It looks very good. And because it is being recorded, we are assessing you. And try to keep your cameras on, because we are marking you on the basis of your expression too, your body language too, your confidence also. I did not ask for the comments of these jury members, otherwise many of them would have said that whatever you spoke sounded like you were simply reading. Do you agree? Just show me your thumbs, jury members. If you agree with what I said, dekh lo. Dekh lo. It sounded like you were just reading, nothing else. है ना? चलो. Anushka, who is next now?
So the next group to present is group number 1.
Group number 1, and their topic is also topic number 1.
Sir.
Karthikeya says he does not have Jay's Gmail or WhatsApp. Beta, do one thing, Karthikeya. Put it on.
Yes, sir.
Jay will check there.
Okay, sir.
Put it on submission group. Yes, who was speaking? Shamit was speaking.
यस सर.
what are
सर
you,
क्या हमें और टाइम मिल सकता है?
किस चीज के लिए बेटा? प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए या
सर वो
प्रिपरेशन के लिए?
सर प्रिपरेशन के लिए सर, क्योंकि हमारा एक मेंबर है वो हम लोग जब डिस्कस कर रहे थे तब वो आया नहीं था.
छोड़ दो उस मेंबर को, बाकी लोग करो. I told this thing earlier. If someone is not there, leave that member. Remaining members can perform. Remaining members can appear here and do the activity. The leftover members, the ones who are left, will be given this way. As I just told Jay, he will have to speak individually. Okay? Okay, Shamit? Okay, Shamit?
ओके सर. ओके सर.
Now, whose turn is it now?
सर हम उसे सर वो ट्राई तो कर सकता है.
नहीं,
मतलब वो डिस्कशन में नहीं
ये
था,
सब नहीं. Either he is in the group or he is not in the group. Try कर
सर वो
सकता
ग्रुप पे
है.
है पर डिस्कशन में नहीं था. मतलब हम लोग जब अभी पहले डिस्कस कर.
हाँ, drop him.
यस सर.
Drop him and ask him to talk to me when the class gets over. Okay? So is it your turn now?
यस सर. यस सर.
Okay, then you can start. Turn your cameras on, all the group members. Shamit, tell me the names of your group members.
सर माय ग्रुप मेंबर
I said keep your cameras on but mute your mics. Only one person can unmute and speak.
Sir, my group members are Yash Baiwar, I myself, Shivam Vasawa.
Wait. I'm writing names, beta. It
Yes,
takes
sir.
time to type. Yash Baiwar, Shamit,
Shivam Vasawa,
Shivam Vasawa, and
Sir Harshvardhan Hadela,
Vardhan. And
Abhishek Jain,
Abhishek Jain. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Yes, beta. Start.
Sir, 1 minute. Yes, sir. सर वो शिवम और बाकी सब विंडो में नहीं आ रहे मेरे.
Ask them to speak once, they will come in the window.
Yes. हाँ, yes.
Once they speak, they will come in the window.
Yes, sir. Sir, Abhishek Jain. Abhishek. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sneha, please count how many times Shamit has said yes, sir, and not yet started. Okay, Shreya will count now.
Sir, yes.
हाँ, 1 मिनट, ठीक है, ठीक है।
Namaste. Welcome to SSYAHD channel. Means Shramit, Shivam,
We
Yash,
understood. We
Abhishek,
understood.
and
Go ahead.
Harshadan Twitch
Go
channel.
ahead.
Uh, Today, our special guest is Mr. Shivam Vasawa, Mr. Yash Baiwar, Mr. Abhishek Jain, Mr. Harshvardhan Hajela, and Mr. Dvijanand. Today, we are here for a very special topic known as the nuclear reactor. The nuclear reactor was a major technological leap for for the mankind, but there is some danger in it, and this makes it a good topic for a debate. As the first nuclear bomb was tested in 1944, two major cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki was destroyed. Then after that, a great spin-off and peaceful spin-off it had as the known as the nuclear reactor. But there is some danger in nuclear reactor also. As we know, in 1986, the Chernobyl incident and 2011, the Fukushima incident. These places are still radioactive now. So this makes a good topic for a debate, or may I say, a great topic for debate. So let us start with Mr. Shivam. What is his views and about it?
See, first thing in today's time energy consumption of the world to fulfill the energy need be a very powerful source of energy, and nothing will compete with nuclear energy, which is very rich power resource.
Okay. Now it's turn of Mr. Harshvardhan Hajela. Harsh, your mic is mute.
Oh, sorry. Nuclear energy reduce CO2 emissions. Nuclear energy is less harmful to environment in terms of climate change than fossil fuels.
Now Mr. Yash Baiwar. Would you like to say something?
Yes, of course. See, first of all, there are always advantages and disadvantages of a particular thing. But if the disadvantages are more than advantages and more dangerous, then I don't think that that thing should be used. Like in nuclear energy, there are many disadvantages, like the nuclear waste produced after the use of nuclear material. It is highly radioactive, and due to it, I think it may cause many chronic diseases like cancer and all, and it is very bad for our mankind as the radioactive materials are very bad for our health. Other thing is that many countries use nuclear materials to make the bombs, like nuclear bombs, and we already have seen what happened in Nagasaki and the other city of Japan. Just one bomb finished everything. So we can imagine how dangerous it is if used for a bad purpose. And there is always a person who will use a thing for a purpose. So I don't think we should use it. So that's just what I want to say. We should not
Okay,
use
Mr.
it.
Yash Baiwar. Okay, thank you. Now, Mr. Abhishek Jain, would you like to say something about the nuclear reactor and nuclear energy?
Yes. So from the last 60 years of the usage of nuclear power, there has been seven major accidents in nuclear reactors or the facilities dealing with the nuclear waste. Three of them were contained, but four of them released significant amounts of radioactivity in the environment. Because of this, most of the places rendered unfit for the human habitation for many decades.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek Jain. Now it's time for some question. So, is the nuclear energy the only solution? Mr. Shivam Masawa, would you like to answer this question?
Yes, I think I can answer. No, I
Mr.
don't
Shivam
think
Masawa,
that
please
nuclear.
turn on your camera.
It is on. It's on, beta.
Okay, sir.
No, I don't think that the nuclear energy is the only source, but if but they have the capacity to fulfill the energy which we need.
Okay, Mr. Shivam Masawa. Now my another question is, do nuclear energy reduces the CO2 emissions in the clouds, or it will have more other elements in the atmosphere? Mr. Horsh, would you like to answer? Harsh, please turn your on mic.
Uh, see, nuclear energy reduce CO2 emissions because our fossil fuels are daily uh, the uses our main source of energy. It reduces global warming uh, and nuclear energy dump into Earth.
Mr. Harsh, please say something. Don't be afraid. Okay, so someone else have to would like to answer my question except for Mr. Harsh. Mr. Yash, would you like to answer this question?
Can you please repeat the question once?
Yes. Uh, do do the nuclear reactor reduces the CO2 emissions, or it can spread more other harmful substances other than CO2 in the atmosphere?
See, I first also said advantages and disadvantages. Advantages is CO2 emission in the atmosphere is less, but disadvantages the waste produced, nuclear waste produced after the usage of nuclear material. What will be done of that? Many countries have nuclear power plants, but the waste is not managed. Except Finland, no other country using nuclear material is doing the management of the nuclear waste, which is very dangerous. We know that.
Okay, Mr. Yash Baiwar. Now, my next question is, why are there nuclear reactor with outdated technology? Why not we could build more new reactor with new technology? Would you like to answer this question, Abhishek Jain? Mr. Abhishek Jain?
Can you please repeat the question?
Yes. Why not new technologies are used in the nuclear reactor? And why there are more nuclear reactor with outdated technology? Is it is risky, and what if new technologies will come and risk will reduce?
Uh, New technology are good, but they are risky too, and they are expensive.
Okay, Mr. Abhishek Jain. Now my next question is, uh, many countries many countries will try to make nuclear weapons via the nuclear reactor technology. So how can we reduce it, or what can we do? So Mr. Yash Baiwar, would you like to answer?
Yes, first thing you said that many countries will try. They already tried, and many countries have already made the nuclear bombs, right? So we can't do anything. It is already made it.
But there are only 7 or 8 countries which have nuclear reactor, and there are 30 nuclear weapons, and there are 31 countries which have nuclear reactor. So there is more risk of have them making the nuclear weapons.
See, we can't do anything. The country will obviously make as another countries have, and always there is competition between the countries. So we can't stop. And if there is anything, so we can just hope that no country would make it.
Better conclude it now. Conclude it now.
Okay. So we, as we know, the nuclear reactor is a very huge technology leap, and is very useful, as well as it is very harmful, just like the 1986 Chernobyl and 2011 Fukushima. The places are now also radioactive, but the nuclear energy meet 10% of the uh, 10% of the energy needs. So we cannot shut it down so quickly, or give it more boost. So it is good that we take slow steps, and to make the new technologies to make it more safe and more efficient. Thank you.
It's already 12:10. So I may not be allowed to ask some questions to my jury members, but with one thing everybody will agree that Yash and Shamit were quite good. Okay, these two children, they did it quite well. Yash was speaking quite fluently as if he understood the idea and spoke, and Shamit was well prepared. Shamit had a lot to speak about. Okay, he was reading, but because preparation was good, and the way Harsh was, this boy, yes, the way he was speaking, it was quite as if he understood the thing and he's speaking on his own. That sounded good. Vaswa, what he prepared, he spoke, but he could have grabbed even more opportunities to speak. Other two boys, Harsh and one more.
Abhishek Jain.
Instead of trying, the anchor had to say, "Don't be afraid." There is no need of being afraid, beta. It's a fun activity. We are doing it for learning. The more you speak, the better you will learn. There is no punishment here. Okay, and I'm not going to hit anybody from here, online slapping. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, remote slapping. Nothing will happen. If you speak, you learn. That's it. But yes, in all, this discussion was quite improved than the previous one. Okay? We are closing it here. In the next class, I want to finish at least 3 to 4 in one period. It was just starting. So I can understand it will take time. You all to come in a flow. But in the next period, I would like to have at least 3 to 4 discussions in one period. Okay? Then Sneha's watch will work there. She was reminding us that the time is almost over. But fine, I thought we let them go on. But her watch will come in action in the next period. Okay? Chalo, Sai Ram, if you don't have anything to say.
So when the jury members will have the debate, then who will?
Don't worry, beta. This is all my problem. It's not your problem.
Okay, sir.
You don't worry. In the next debate, the jury will change. If not all, few. Because you were experienced. Now, this group has just now done. So, I'll pick 1 or 2 members from this. I'll put those children in jury who I feel that they have done once and they have done it well. I cannot take anybody. ठीक है? चलो, साई राम.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Ram, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,